Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a home-style braised daikon radish. No trace of that radish smell, just rich, melt in your mouth goodness. First, we will start with half of a long white daikon radish. Cut it in half lengthwise. Then slice each piece into chunks, about this size. Next, chop up a bit of green onion into sections. Mix some garlic. And prepare some minced pork belly. Alright, ingredients are ready. I've listed all the amounts in the description box below, so you can check them later. Now, let's start cooking. Daikon has a natural strong aroma that some people don't love, so we are going to remove it. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add the daikon and drop in either 2 teaspoons of salt or 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This really helps take away that raw pungent smell. Once the water comes to a boil, cook for about 8 minutes until the daikon turns slightly translucent. Then drain and set aside. Now, heat some oil in the wok and add the minced pork. Stir fry until it's cooked. Then add the daikon chunks. Stir fry together for about 30 seconds to a minute to let the moisture release. Season with 1 tablespoon cooking wine, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 0.5 tablespoon dark soy sauce, and 10 grams of oyster sauce. Mix until the daikon is evenly coated and the color looks beautiful. Pour in just enough hot water to cover the ingredients. Add 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon MSG, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Keep the lid open and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Then cover and braise on low heat for about 10 minutes. Alright, let's take a look. Wow, that smells amazing. Now, add the minced garlic and green onion. Give it a quick stir and it's ready to serve. Look at this, soft, tender daikon soaking up all that savory sauce. Honestly, it's even better than potatoes. Let me try it for you. Oh, this is so good. If you never tried daikon this way before, you have to give it a shot. It's simple, homey, and perfect with rice. Thanks for watching. See you next time.